Hello, beautiful one. Thanks for joining me for this practice today to connect with your heart's intuition. Please come into a comfortable seat or feel free to lie down if that feels better for you. And bringing your eyes to close. Turning your attention inward. And sensing the breath as it's flowing in and out of your body. Inviting your body to soften. And maybe even letting your spine rock very slightly side to side. And then letting your spine rock very slightly forward and back. And just letting this really subtle movement of your spine draw you even deeper within. Just sensing that movement and letting your attention be drawn into your own center. Feel the breath flowing in. And as you breathe out, let your shoulders soften away from the ears. Unlock your jaw. Invite your belly to take up a little bit more space. And settle into your foundation, your legs, your feet, your hips and pelvis, whatever is in contact with the floor beneath you. Let your breath be slow, deep, and complete. And then allow one hand to rest over your chest. And take your attention to your heart center. Begin to feel how the breath is moving through this inner space of your chest. Our heart serves as a portal to our soul. And when we connect to our heart and to our soul, we can download intuitive insight that our mind may not otherwise have privy to. So feel your heart physically first. Noticing any sensations arising through this space, your heart, and even your lungs and your rib cage, your upper back. Invite this physical space of your heart to settle, to relax, to open. And as you focus your attention within your heart space, ask yourself, if my heart were a landscape in nature, what would it look like? As we ask this question and see with our mind's eye the landscape of our heart, we are entering the domain of the soul. So step in to that landscape. This is your inner heart. This is the land of your soul. Let yourself sit here and just be with yourself. And as you sit in this space of your inner heart, the land of your soul, if you have any questions that you'd like to ask, please do so. Speak your questions directly to your heart, your soul. Speak them to this inner landscape. Let these questions land fully here. So that the answers can begin to arise. So that the answers you seek for yourself and your life can begin to emerge and be presented directly from your soul. And all you need to do is to be receptive, be open, and trust that you hold the wisdom you seek within. Feel the breath flowing in and out of your body, softening the outer shell of you. Staying open and receptive to the answers you seek. At first, our heart, our soul communicates to us through gentle whispers. But the more we tune in and the more we listen, the louder this inner voice of our heart and soul becomes. Trust yourself, trust your heart, trust this process of going inward for the answers you seek. Feel the breath flowing in and the breath flowing out. When you feel ready, just allow your awareness to begin to come back to your physical body, feeling the physical space of your heart, your lungs, your rib cage, feeling your entire body. If you have time after this practice today, you may want to grab your journal and free write directly from your heart. Let your soul speak to you. You may receive even more wisdom by way of writing. To close this sacred practice of accessing, attuning to our heart's intuition, you can just draw in a nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Have a beautiful rest of your day.